What's up, everybody? It's Saturday, May 9th. Trying to get some more content on here so Megan just doesn't go from one clip to us at the racetrack like she always does. I'm giving her a hard time. But we were up here last night getting body fixed and working on some things. Bump got tires situated. I got body all fixed up. Megan's Ford is in here. Transmission exploded. What a coincidence. So yeah, got a couple things left to do. Got to change the oil. We run Maxima in our Mullins race engine, so get oil changed. Not gonna have time to give her a bath, so we'll give her a trucker bath. That's what my dad would call it. And make a couple more adjustments to this thing, try to get it a little bit better, and head on down to Peoria Speedway. So see you guys there.
We are live at the old Peoria Speedway. There's 14 mods here, and we should be going out here in a little bit. But yeah, there's some good cars. I brought tacos, and we're ready to rip. So we'll see what happens tonight. Josh Allen's here, Weiser, Charles Hess, Alexander, Austin Lynn. There's some pretty good cars here. So yeah, we'll see what tonight brings. We're just still trying to get a little bit better in this car and try some different things out. And yeah, we'll see how qualifying goes and go from there. What's up, everyone? We just got done qualifying here a little bit ago, but I wanted to hop on here. We were able to go 4th, I believe, in qualifying. So yeah, they're only doing 2 heat races, so we're starting 2nd in the 2nd heat. But yeah, we have a couple good cars in there. We'll see how the heat race goes and kind of go from there. I think we made a couple adjustments for the heat race, so yeah, hopefully it goes well and we can start up front in the feature. We'll catch you guys here in a little bit. just wanted to hop on here to close this video out. This video is from a couple weeks ago. I think May 9th is when this race was, so I've been slacking a bit on YouTube content. In my defense, 2 weeks ago I got super duper sick, so yeah, I just finally started feeling better this week and am starting to catch back up on the content stuff. So yeah, we'll have probably 2 or 3 more videos posted this week, so I don't feel as overwhelmed anymore. But yeah, as for Peoria, let's see, it's a couple weeks ago, so now I don't remember. We just bent our left rear shock and we didn't have a spare for it, so we had to throw on Barry Sauter's left rear shock that he has, and it was a street stock shock. So yeah, slightly different, but it is what it is. Appreciate him for allowing us to borrow it to at least race. But yeah, car just wasn't really any good in the feature. But yeah, well, there's some more highs and lows coming in the next couple videos, but yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.